Thank you for clicking on my channel. Welcome to Grace Garden. This is the lovely arrangement we're going to create together today. So please sit back and enjoy. Welcome to Grace Garden, where I love to be. But I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Grace Garden. This is the selection of flowers we're working with for this arrangement. I have the flowers laid out the way I think I might pick them up. I've also gone over all the stems and taken off anything that I'm not going to like to be in my arrangement and that will fall below the water line. We're going to save a rose for the end. Where are my clippers? And one last stem for good measure. And now we'll make the bow. Thank you so much for being here and enjoying the garden with me and these beautiful flowers today. Please make sure you give this video a like. It's really important to YouTube. And make sure that you're subscribed. That's really important to me. And until next episode, bye for now.